Setting up your LG portable air conditioner begins with careful unboxing. Due to the weight of these units, it's essential to have two people handle the unboxing process safely. Inside the box, you'll find several key components that work together to cool your space. Let's identify each component using this exploded view diagram. The main components include the AC unit itself, the exhaust hose for venting hot air outside, the window kit for sealing your window, and drainage accessories for water management. Step 2 involves installing the window kit. This kit adapts to different window types, whether you have a horizontal sliding window or a vertical sliding window. Start by measuring your window opening carefully. The window kit panels are adjustable and can be extended or cut to fit your specific window dimensions perfectly. Next, connect the exhaust hose. This flexible hose carries hot air from inside the unit to the outside through your window. Proper connection is crucial for efficient cooling. Attach one end of the exhaust hose to the back of the AC unit, ensuring a tight seal. Then connect the other end to the window kit. Make sure the hose is not kinked or bent, as this restricts airflow and reduces efficiency. Step 4 addresses water drainage. Portable air conditioners remove moisture from the air, and this water needs to be managed properly based on your specific model and environment. Most modern LG units feature auto evaporation, which recycles condensation internally. However, some models require manual drainage when the reservoir is full or continuous drainage for high humidity environments. Finally, position your AC unit properly for optimal performance. Place it on a level surface with adequate clearance on all sides for proper air circulation. Ensure at least 20 inches of clearance on all sides for ventilation. Connect to a dedicated power outlet to avoid overloading circuits. Your LG portable air conditioner is now ready for operation. Now that your LG portable air conditioner is physically set up, it's time to complete the final steps and get it running. First, plug your unit into a dedicated power outlet and press the power button. Use the control panel or remote control to select your desired temperature and cooling mode. If your LG portable AC has smart features, you can enhance your experience by connecting it to your smartphone and enabling voice control. Download the LG ThinQ app from your device's app store. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to add your air conditioner to your account. Connect your air conditioner to your home Wi-Fi network through the app. Once connected, you can control your AC remotely and monitor its status from anywhere. For voice control, you can connect your AC to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This allows you to adjust temperature and settings using simple voice commands. Even with proper setup, you may encounter some common issues. Here are the most frequent problems and their solutions. If your AC isn't cooling effectively, first check for restricted airflow. Ensure nothing is blocking the air intake or outlet vents. Clean or replace the air filters regularly. Dirty filters restrict airflow and reduce cooling efficiency significantly. If your unit won't turn on, check the power supply and circuit breaker. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged in and not damaged. For water leaks, inspect the drainage hose and all connections. Make sure the unit is positioned on a level surface to prevent water from pooling incorrectly. Regular maintenance is key to preventing issues and ensuring optimal performance. Clean filters monthly during heavy use and check all connections periodically. Following these setup steps, smart features, and troubleshooting tips will help you get the most out of your LG portable air conditioner and keep it running efficiently for years to come.